Distance between two points. The distance between points lying on x-axis is the difference between the x-coordinates. Similarly, if two points lie on y-axis, then the distance between the points A and B would be the difference between their y-coordinates of the points. The distance between two points x1, y1 and x1, y2 on a line parallel to y-axis is y2 minus y1. The distance between two points x1, y1 and x2, y2 on a line parallel to x-axis is x2 minus x1. Example, what is the distance between A 4, 0 and B 8, 0? Solution. The difference in the x coordinates is x2 minus x1 is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 units. Distance between two points on a line parallel to the coordinate axis. The distance of a point P x, y from the origin is square root of x square plus y square. Distance between any two points on a line in the xy plane. The distance between two points P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Example, let us find the distance between two points A 4, 2 and B 8, 6. Solution. Compare these points with x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 8, y1 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 6. Using distance formula, distance AB is equal to D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 is equal to square root of 8 minus 4 whole square plus 6 plus 3 whole square is equal to square root of 4 square plus 3 square is equal to square root of 16 plus 9 is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 5 units. Example, are the points 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 2, 3 form a triangle? Solution. Let us apply the distance formula to find the distances PQ, QR and PR, where P 3, 2, Q minus 2, minus 3 and R 2, 3 are the given points. We have PQ is equal to square root of minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square is equal to square root of minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 whole square is equal to square root of 25 plus 25 is equal to square root of 50 is equal to 7.07 units. QR is equal to square root of minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus of minus 3 whole square is equal to square root of 4 whole square plus 6 whole square is equal to square root of 52 is equal to 7.21 units. PR is equal to square root of 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square is equal to square root of minus 1 whole square plus 1 square is equal to root 2 is equal to 1.41 units. Since the sum of any two of these distances is greater than the third distance, therefore the points P, Q and R form a triangle and all the sides of a triangle is unequal. Section formula. The coordinates of the point P x, y which divides the line segment joining the points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2 or m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Example: find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. Solution: let P x, y be the required point. Using the section formulas, P x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. We get x is equal to 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 24 plus 4 by 4 is equal to 28 by 4 is equal to 7. Y is equal to 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 3 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 15 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 12 by 4 is equal to 3. P of x, y is equal to 7, 3 is the required point. Section formula: the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P x1, y1 and x2, y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Example: find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 3, 0 and -1, 4. Solution: the midpoint m x, y of the line segment joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. M x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Therefore, the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 3, 0 and -1, 4 is m x, y is equal to 3 plus -1 by 2, comma 0 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2, 4 by 2 is equal to 1, 2. Centroid of triangle. The centroid of a triangle is the point of intersection of its medians. Hence, the coordinates of the centroid are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Example: find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 3, -5, -7, 4, 10, -2 respectively. Solution: the coordinates of the centroid are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 is equal to 3 plus -7 plus 10 by 3, -5 plus 4 plus -2 by 3 is equal to 2, -1. Therefore, the centroid is 2, -1. Trisectional points of a line. The points which divide a line segment into 3 equal parts are said to be the sectional points. Example: find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A 2, -2 and B -7, 4. Solution: let P and Q be the points of trisection of AB. That is, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Therefore, P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. Therefore, the coordinates of P are, by applying the section formula, P x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 1 into minus 7 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2, comma 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 2 by 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 7 plus 4 by 3, comma 4 minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 3 by 3, comma 0 by 3 is equal to minus 1, comma 0. Now Q also divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. So the coordinates of Q are is equal to 2 into minus 7 plus 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1, comma 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 2 by 2 plus 1, minus 14 plus 2 by 3, comma 8 minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 12 by 3, comma 6 by 3 is equal to minus 4, comma 2. Therefore, the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment are P minus 1, comma 0 and Q minus 4, comma 2. Area of the triangle. The area of the triangle formed by the vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Example. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points A 5, 2, B 4, 7 and C 7, minus 4. Solution. The area of the triangle formed by the vertices A 5, 2, B 4, 7 and C 7, minus 4 is given by 1 by 2 into 5 into 7 plus 4 plus 4 into minus 4 minus 2 plus 7 into 2 minus 7 is equal to 1 by 2 into 55 minus 24 minus 35 is equal to minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Since area is a measure which cannot be negative, we will take the numerical value of minus 2 or absolute value, that is minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, the area of the triangle is equal to 2 square units. Collinearity. Suppose the points A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and C x3, y3 are lying on a line. Then they cannot form a triangle. That is, area of triangle ABC is 0. When the area of a triangle is 0, then the 3 points said to be collinear points. Example. The points 3, minus 2, minus 2, 8 and 0, 4 are 3 points in a plane. Show that these points are collinear. Solution. By using area of the triangle formula, triangle is equal to half into 3 into 8 minus 4 plus minus 2 into 4 minus of minus 2 plus 0 of minus 2 minus 8 is equal to half into 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. The area of the triangle is 0. Hence, the 3 points are collinear or they lie on the same line. Area of a triangle. Heron's formula. Heron, an ancient Greek mathematician, derived a formula for a triangle whose lengths of sides are A, B and C. A is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Example: find the area of the triangle whose lengths of sides are 12 meters, 9 meters, 15 meters by using Heron's formula. Solution: a is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. S is equal to 12 plus 9 plus 15 by 2 is equal to 36 by 2 is equal to 18 meters. Then s minus a is equal to 18 minus 12 is equal to 6 meters. S minus b is equal to 18 minus 9 is equal to 9 meters. S minus c is equal to 18 minus 15 is equal to 3 meters. A is equal to square root of 18 into 6 into 9 into 3 is equal to square root of 2916 is equal to 54 square meter. Straight lines. Slope of the straight line. There is a relation between the ratio of change in y to change in x on a line has relation with angle made by it with x-axis. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of an angle theta by adjacent side of an angle theta is equal to change in y by change in x. Slope of a line joining two points. Slope will be denoted by m. Therefore, m is equal to tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If theta is angle made by the line with x-axis, then m is equal to tan theta. Example: the endpoints of a line are 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the slope of the line. Solution: points of a line are 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slope of the line is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Slope of the given line is 1.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.